अस्सलाम वालेकुम फ्रेंड्स, अस्सलाम वालेकुम व्यूअर्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय YouTube channel. I hope so that all are you happy and well. So in today's video, stone crafts ideas and stone arts. Welcome to the crafts idea. In this video we are going to make some beautiful stone art and crafts. Stones are simple, natural and easy to find. With just a little paint and creativity, we can turn them into amazing decoration. So let's begin. First idea is stone painting. Take smooth stones and wash them well. Paint them with bright colors. You can make flowers, butterfly, birds, or even cartoon faces. Children love these crafts and it is very relaxing too. Second idea is a stone garden. Take a small tray or pot, fill it with sand or soil. Place paint stone inside to make a mini garden. You can also paint stone as tiny house, trees, or animal. It will look like a small fairy garden. Next idea is stone coaster. Take felt stone and paint them with design like medallion, flowers, or simple dots and lines. After painting, cover them with clear varnish. Now you have handmade coaster for teacups and coffee mugs. You can also make a stone centerpiece. Take a glass bowl and fill it with different size of paint stone. Add a candle in the middle. This will make a beautiful table decoration. Another idea is stone name art. Write names or positive words like love, peace, and joy on stone. You can keep them in a basket or give them a small gift. This stone brings positive energy and look very nice. You can also try stone wall art. Take a canvas or wooden board, look different stones, paint patterns like a tree, a family, or simple shapes. Paint around them to make it more colorful. This becomes a beautiful wall hanging. All these ideas are very easy, creative, low cost. You just need stone, paint, glue, and a little imagination. You can use them for home decoration, garden decor, or as gifts. So friends, try the stone art and crafts ideas at home and enjoy the joy of creating something beautiful from simple stone. Thank you for watching and happy crafting, friends. So Allah Hafiz. Thanks for